Hi, welcome back to my channel. Karina here, and today I am going to show you a tag flip that I put together for one of my pen pals. So it has this very cute charm. One side says love, the other one a heart, and I am going to take this ring off so we can view each of the tags. So the first one, for this tag I used the Maggie Holmes Party Polka Dot paper collection and 2 doilies, 1 resin flower trim, some enamel dots. This is a Project Life card and ribbon, more trims, and I did a double-sided. Another one here, paper, 2 papers, a nice die cut butterfly. So let's go back to the next one. The second one is, again, I'm giving her some goodies. This little bird is a sticker from the Maggie Holmes Flourish collection. I used a washi tape with flowers. The other side, it's another nice tag. You belong among the wildflowers. Let's take a look at this other one. This one, I have more Project Life cards. I put these kind of like a strip, glue a butterfly, paper cut, and doilies. On the back is supposed to be this. I forgot to glue it. So I'm giving her some of the Spellbinders die cut. I found this one in Tuesday Morning. The next one, more Project Life cards, flower trim, and the back are these gems. This one, again, the paper from Maggie Holmes, some butterflies. These are Heidi Swapp butterflies, enamel dots, trim, and the back, it's these Miss Sparkle and Company floral stamps. Very nice. Butterfly again, just keeping everything cohesive. The next tag is a polka dot, so small things, another Project Life card, couple of tickets, doilies, and the back doesn't have anything on the back. Oh, and this flower got belonged here, so sorry about that. Okay, so the next one is another bag with Project Life cards, enamel dots, washi tape, nothing on the back. I might be ending up putting something. And then this is the last one. I made these 2 rosettes. I will link my video down below where I show how I made this. And the back, it's quite plain. Again, the trim from Walmart and more trim, and some butterflies. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.